Happy Wednesday. Thanks for clicking to WITV.com. I'm meteorologist Ryan Halicki. Heading into our Thursday, we're going to find ourselves in the warm sector of this storm system. An uptick in humidity and also an uptick in our chance for rain and storms comes as this gets a little closer to us. So dew point, something we'll be watching rising through our Thursday. As we go into the 60s, you'll start noticing it feeling a little more sticky again. And with the added moisture, a better chance for some areas of heavy rain. This is the excessive rainfall outlook for Thursday. It shows areas in the country where you have that potential for flash flooding to occur. It's the lowest threat level there, but a chance there for some pockets of localized flooding with heavier downpours and thunderstorms that I'm looking for on Thursday. Also have the potential to be severe. This is the severe outlook. Level 2 of 5 is what we're looking at in the yellow shade. And notice that does include portions of our viewing area. Storms don't know to stay within the line, so potential there for all of our counties for seeing stronger storms, primary hazards, severe wind gusts. The tornado threat with this low but not zero. We are going to have to monitor closely into especially the second half of the day for isolated rotating thunderstorms. We'll be keeping a close watch on that. So let's talk a little more about the timing of how this plays out. For our Wednesday night, I don't expect much for concerns into the overnight. Chance there for a few showers or sprinkles as we come up on daybreak Thursday, but overall the overnight pretty uneventful for us. Now it will be a warmer start to the day. Those morning lows are around 60 degrees, and then going into the afternoon our temps will warm up a bit. By noon still could be a couple of stray showers or storms. Much of our Thursday is going to be mainly dry. We have a chance that you encounter some raindrops, but it is not going to be a washout during the day. That changes as we get into the evening. Our highs get up to around 80. We'll have that uptick in dew points, more moisture in place, and more energy in the atmosphere. We're also going to have some stronger winds in the upper levels, and that is going to try and fuel the potential for some stronger storms. As we come up on 9 p.m., you see some storms coming out of the southwest. As we really go past about 6 p.m., that's when we're going to have to pay close attention to that risk for thunderstorms beginning to climb. And through the evening, late evening especially, any of these storms that we'll be looking for coming out of the southwest have the potential to be a little strong for us, continuing as we go up to 11, 12 o'clock at night. Now overnight, Thursday into Friday morning, I do expect that severe threat to come down a little bit, but we're still going to have those strong winds, gusty storms not out of the question into Friday morning. So we'll be keeping an eye on that going through the overnight here. Friday starts with some showers, some storms, while we have the potential for a little bit of a lull in the early afternoon. Additional showers start popping up here, and as we go into Friday evening, we'll have rain likely again as we head into the start of our weekend. So a little unsettled the next 2 days here. We're elevating that risk for thunderstorms on the hassle factors list. Strong storms are possible, more so into the latter part of our Thursday, especially as we go past sunset there, and it will be a bit more humid. Watching for heavy rain as well. 60 degrees for that low temperature, so a milder night and just an isolated shower or sprinkle tomorrow morning. We'll be keeping an eye out for a raindrop or two. But again, our Thursday is not going to be a total washout. The best chance for thunderstorms likely as we come up on late evening, which is when we will have that risk higher for some stronger storms. Now Friday, again, I do expect rounds of downpours, some thunderstorms, mid-70s for the high, lots of clouds around. And then for Saturday, we'll have the chance for some showers carrying over into the morning. As we go into the afternoon, the clouds start to break. We get into a little sun, but it will be a little cooler. And by cooler, thankfully, we're only talking a high around 70 degrees. That's pretty close to average for us, but not as warm as what you see as we go past Saturday. We'll start warming up into the end of the weekend and Memorial Day high back around 80 on Sunday. Lots of sun here through next week. And as we go into the middle of next week, we're looking at those high temperatures flirting with 90 degrees.